We saved a bird and the kids, they absolutely love her. She has to go. She deserves to be free. Today is going to be a really sad day for everyone.
Into my eyes and never let it go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Familia Diamond. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm by myself right now. My wife, she's not feeling well right now, so she is going to be in bed the whole day because she needs to rest. Today is going to be a really sad day for everyone. We saved a bird that we found in our backyard.
Oh my god!
I was trying to look for a snake, but instead I found a bird that it was hurt.
We think the rattlesnake bit him.
We took her to the vet and the vet just said her wing was hurt. All she needed was time to heal. After looking out for her for like a few days, I think she feels better now because she's been flying all over the house and the kids, they absolutely love her. I even love her. She already has a name.
We named him Ace because turns out it's a boy.
They understand that she has to go, she has to fly. She doesn't belong in a cage or the house. She's been trying to fly away. So we have like big windows and she's trying to aim to the window because she sees the outside. She's just trying to be free. She deserves to be free like any other bird. It's gonna be devastating for the kids, but they understand that's how it is. I'm gonna go tell them right now. I don't know how well they're going to take it, but okay, so I told them to meet me in the living room because I have news for them. Hey guys.
What's up?
Alright, so as you guys know, the bird, it's been flying all morning everywhere.
Yeah.
From one fan to another fan.
Where is he?
I know, it's probably in one of the fans. So the news is that the bird is ready to fly. It's really healthy. And as you guys know, we cannot keep, even though we love her. But I think it's time to let him go. Okay? Because we cannot have him caged. Okay?
No. Okay.
They deserve to be free.
He deserves to be free.
Yeah. So I know it's hard for you guys. I love him too.
No. Where is he?
It's okay, Salashi. So let's look for him. So it's not there. Where? Oh. Okay, so it's not there. Well, oh,
That's nice.
right there.
Hey, Ace.
Question is, how are we going to get him down? Oh, I have an idea. So
Oh my gosh. Yeah, reach a little high. He's like at the... I can't really see it.
Come on.
Okay, you got it. Yeah.
Got him.
I want him. Give me him. Give me him.
All right. Okay. Pon tu dedo.
This.
Okay, pues. There. Le. Okay.
Yeah, yes, yes.
So, you see the wings?
Yeah.
Really nice, huh? Get her, Sue. Of him. Alright. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So I guess we're gonna put her on the ground, on the grass. And we're gonna give her a little rice before she goes. Let's do it here, right there.
Sure.
In the grass. Are you guys ready? Say goodbye to him. Everybody, everyone. Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye. How about,
The only thing she needs to do is fly.
how about if she goes in the pool?
No, she's not. She won't get in the pool.
Yes, she will.
I hope. Where is she? Oh, wait. I think she's about to go. She's about to go.
Nice.
I guess she's coming this way. Oh no, she's about to fly. Let's see. Let's give her time. There she is. There you go. Say goodbye, Suyachi. It's okay, guys. It's okay, Solash. You know, it's better this way because she's gonna be free.
Yeah.
Okay? Don't cry, Solash. It's okay. Yeah, get her, Sue. Okay, right now it's time to say goodbyes, everyone.
Bye.
This is it.
You ready?
So, kinda throw her to the air, up. Just go up. Higher.
Yeah.
March is lost. If anybody has seen him, please help. And then out of nowhere, this puppy shows up in her house. Like,
Is it your dog?
It's okay. It's okay. If she wants to stay, she can stay here, outside. But knowing that she can leave whenever she wants to. Where's the rice? Okay. Mira cuánto arroz trajo. Necesitas traer like a lot.
Why?
Para que ella sepa. Ok. Dejen bajo la rama. Que sí, fan. Come on back.
He knows that we're gonna give him some food, so he's staying.
Yeah.
That's gonna be his special tree. He's gonna leave, but he's gonna come back to that tree for some food.
Lo que podemos hacer es traerle comida para que siempre regrese.
That's what I just said.
Oh. We set the bird free. It's sad, you know, the kids are really sad, but it's the best thing to do.
That's our cage.
Okay? It's okay, Solash.
He might still go in a cage. Guys, I guess the bird doesn't want to leave. Papi's putting like a food thing so the bird can come and eat it.
So whenever the bird wants to come back and eat, there's rice here that we're gonna be putting rice. So whenever he wants to come back,
Yeah.
all right. So it's right there. So I guess this is it, guys, for today's video.
Wait, where's the water?
I'm gonna put more water right now. All right. So this is it, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.